get into it. So by the way, actually you can see my screen. The first time in your life. Okay, let's read this. Hello, welcome to Apple. I don't understand. The first iPhone in Minecraft. Okay. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna read all this. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys! Look at this gigantic phone. Look at this. Maybe it will look here. Let's look. Let's check this out in the back. Oh my gosh! I think the owner who made this took a very long time. Let's turn this power that thing on. Oh my gosh, guys! Look at that! It's powering on! Look at this! Look! Oh my gosh! There's Facebook! There's Facebook! YouTube! Weather icon! And there's even movies! Camera! Photos! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! First, guys, I think we're gonna check out YouTube. Let's open up YouTube. Oh my gosh! You can see the chat, guys! YouTube! This EY Stream! EY Streams videos! EY Streams videos! I love EY Stream! If EY Stream you're watching this, I'm a very big fan of yours. And this is EY Streams videos! And I'm not sure what that video is. Okay, I'm very shocked about this. So let's go to this side. Oh, and wait a second. I don't think this is EY Streams merge. Not a merge, a video. Actually, I don't think so. Okay, let's see in that. Wait a second. That looks suspicious. Wait, I think that's like something's like a YouTube channel. Someone's YouTube channel I watched. I don't know. But guys, I'm really shocked about this. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get out. Let's get out. Whoop. Oh my god. Okay, guys. There's even calls and there's even Safari messages and I don't know what that thing is. So let's see messages. What will this look like? What will messages look like? What will messages look like, guys? I'm really shocked. Oh my gosh! I'm so shocked! Oh my gosh, guys! I bet the owner took a very long time for the blocks and even the decorations. It will take forever to build. The owner who did this is really actually a detailed man. He's so good. So let's test. So let's see Safari. Dun. Okay, go to Safari. Oh! The whole screen turned black. Oh my gosh, I just screamed. The whole screen's black. What the heck is this? A clock? What? I don't like this, guys. I was so confused. Where was the back button? Huh? Okay. Oh no, I'm stuck in the block. Break it. Where am I? Ooh. I'm a very young lady. I'm not a lady, I'm a man, babe. What the heck is going on? Okay, guys, we haven't seen like all the futures yet, and we actually, I don't know. But this is, I'm so shocked. The owner who made this is really professional. He knows how to make this iPhone. Look. Guys, this is so cool. I never seen this iPhone working in Minecraft before. So guys, let's power this thing off and then I think let's power that thing off and then we will end the video right here. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, this is loading. Why did this happen? I was making a video. Guys, I literally screamed. The screen's loading. I can't move myself already. But guys, by the way, while the screen's loading, lesson, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. And we'll see you guys. And also, comment down below which other Minecraft mods and also Minecraft builds do you want to do next. Like play with my cousins Jiggy, play with my cousin Fonzie, play with my cousin Carlos, or even play with my dad. Which one do you want? And we'll end this video. And so, you guys say bye. Yeah, bye. No